Hello everyone, we are going to see about MySQL commands like and, or, and not. In MySQL, logical operators such as and, or, and not are used in conjunction with the where clause to filter rows based on multiple conditions. This operations allows you to construct complex conditions for querying data from tables. Below are explanations and examples of using logical operators in MySQL. First, we are going to see about AND operator. The AND operator is used to combine multiple conditions in a where clause. It requires that all conditions must be true for a row to be included in the result set. Now I will show you the syntax how to write AND operator. For that, first we want to use select column select column 1 comma column 2 comma dot 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 till column n, and we want to use from, and we want to give a table name, and we want to use where, and we want to give a condition one, and we want to use AND operator, and condition 2, and condition 3. Like that we want to give. Like this we want to use the AND operator. Now I will show you the real code how to do that. For that I am going to use select star from. I am going to use the employee table, where department equal to HR, and age is greater than 25. If I run this, see I am getting John, age is 30, and HR. See, it was the department is HR and the age is greater than 25. The condition is the both the conditions are true, so that I am getting John as my in the table. This is the query requires all rows from the employee table where the department is HR and the age of the employee is greater than 25. Next, we are going to see about OR operator. The OR operator is used to combine multiple conditions in where clause. It requires that at least one of the condition must be true for a row to be included in the result set. Now I will go to show you the syntax of how to write. For that I want to use select column 1 comma column 2 like dot 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 from. I want to give a table name, and I want to use where, and I want to give a condition, and I want to use or condition 1 or condition 2 or like that we want to give the or operator. Now I will going to show you the real code. For that I am going to use select star from employee table, where department equal to HR or department equal to marketing. If I run that, see we are getting two. First is John with the department HR and Alice with department marketing. This query retrieves all rows from the employee table where the department is either HR or marketing. Next we are going to see about our operator. Next we are going to see about not operator. The not operator is used to negate a condition in a where class. It results rows when the specified condition is not true. Now I will going to show you the syntax. For that I am going to use select column 1 column 2 from table name, and we want to give a where not condition. Like this we want to give a not operator. Now I will show you the real code. Select star from employees where not department equal to HR. Select star from employees where not department equal to HR. Now if I run this, see we are getting Alice job Bob where the department is marketing and finance. See if if the department is equal to not HR, then we have to show the value in the table. This query retrieves all rows from the employee table where the department is not HR. This logical operator allows you to construct flexible and precise conditions for querying data from MySQL tables. By combining this operation with various comparison operators and expression, you can create complex queries to retrieve specific subsets of data that meet your requirements. Thank you. With this, I am ending my video.